Number 3, John Reddick. No fear.
This is going to extend across and then go that way, just like this one is. So the but. And I'm going to put white on that, all the way down, all the way across, all the way down. It's right there. So.
Inside the music, K-Love. Hey, this is Darce. I'm so excited for you to hear my new song.
There you go.
Jesus.
Somewhat.
I hope this song really encourages you, especially if you're fighting with fear or worry, or you feel like you just can't see a way out, or
This is going to be a cool dredge.
this song is
So it's going to get sucked up onto this, go through a bar that runs the rocks off, and then the rest is going to go down through here and then break off and go across to the back and off. Thanks for looking.